Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods, back with another video. Beautiful sunset tonight at the park. It's a little windy, but I thought I'd film this video anyway for you guys. You can see we've got the Meilan M3 mini GPS all mounted up top of the FT Mini Aero. I'm excited to get this thing flying. As you can see, we've been tracking here, and I walked over here at 3 miles per hour apparently. We got it max speed in miles per hour. Let's go ahead and get this flight going. That was a major brownout. Let's see what happened. Looks like we got a broken prop, broken airframe. 59.2 on the speed there with the FT Mini Aero. Drove the battery straight into the ground. Seen some better days, but 59.2 is not bad on a half-dead 3-cell. So I guess we'll take this back to the shop and build a new one, but 59.2 with the Meilan M3 mini GPS seems like it does work. It's not the result I wanted it to end as, but dang, these fake Spectrum AR6210s are absolute garbage. Do not buy, in my opinion. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you guys in the next video.